Scan this! Sovi is here! Let's level up! Finding bugs in Java code is a vital skill for any developer. Let's analyze this string concatenation method to see why it fails our test. The method is incorrect because it combines all three input strings into one single variable before checking for the substring. This approach ignores the original boundaries between the separate words. This can create the word art across the junction of two different strings, even if none of the individual inputs actually contain that specific sequence of characters on their own. In choice A, the word similar ends with R and today starts with T. Joining them creates the hidden substring art, which breaks the logic. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush and check steps because concatenation often hides tricky boundary signs.